Your first payment will become visible in your account balance in only a few minutes. I'm talking about regular sizable contributions, not those sporadic small monetary sum. $200, $300, and $500 will continue to appear due to the power of the Google trick I'm about to reveal in this video throughout the day, every day. The finest feature is that it is totally free, doesn't require any money to use, is available everywhere in the world, and pays out in a variety of ways. There are not many people that are aware of this. You may find out how to use the top secret Google approach and immediately start receiving payment by tuning in and watching the entire video. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. In order to watch the video, I want you to first visit shrinkme.io. The homepage will now be displayed to you. With this URL shortener, you could receive up to $220. Visit the Payment Option Proof tab in the top left corner of the page and check out all the real-time payments to see if this website is trustworthy. They pay their customers, and you can see that they never miss a payment and that there are many different ways to pay them. Additionally, you can see in real time how much they have paid their customers. You may start making money right away on our website by following just 3 easy actions. Making an account and signing up is the first step. You should start shortening your links and sharing them with people as the next step, which I'll show you how to accomplish later in this video. The last and most important step is for you to earn your money. But there's a catch. If you follow the instructions carefully in this video, it will only be successful. Now, if you want to create a free account, just hover your mouse over the register button in the top right corner. Just click this link to sign up for a new membership. Now, when you open a free account, you'll receive $1 welcome bonus. Once you've earned $5, you can start withdrawing your money. I like the service over others, where you can apply the same approach to make money, but you only get paid every other week because there are daily payouts. Regardless of your country of origin, this website supports a variety of payment ways and offers daily payouts. With a minimum payout of $5, you can still collect your reward on this website. So, that is how it functions. We'll now utilize YouTube to find a video of a specific video using the method described on this website. Return to this page and paste the video's URL in the box after copying the address. Let me show you the different payment rates that you will receive if people from Greenland click on your link. We're going to shorten this URL, and after we do, you may share it on multiple networks and earn money every time someone clicks on it. You will be paid $22 for every 1,000 views. Similarly, if you encourage Americans to click on your link, you'll receive $10. You'll watch individuals from all across the world clicking on your link, and you'll be able to earn varied sums of money. Due to the fact that the maximum amount of money you can get per 1,000 views if individuals from Greenland click on your link is $22, you should combine the Google technique. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to locate the greatest video on YouTube to enhance your click rate. I'll demonstrate how to choose the finest video, after which we'll shorten the URL on this page. Once we have the shorter link, we'll head up to Google and use a unique strategy to multiply your earnings. Because so many people want to know how to lose weight, the most popular YouTube videos I've watched lately are all about it. Enter weight loss videos into YouTube when you do so. After that, select this week by clicking this filter. Now that there is constantly fresh new content, we'll strive to identify the video that is performing the best this week. The following step is to click on this video, which will provide a link to it. To copy it, click it. We'll now go to shrinkme.io and paste the URL directly here on this tab. Once you've done that, all you have to do is click this button to get shortened URL. In order to highlight them, click on this now, and then copy the link to use later. You can now return to Google and hunt for forums, particularly ones for weight loss. We'll use the keyword weight loss forum to look for a weight loss forum. People who want to lose weight typically hang out and join different forums. So if you utilize the method, you'll find a ton of them where we can distribute the link. to participate in various forums to discover various weight loss advice. Thus, we'll sign up for one of these forums. I'd like to provide you numerous instances, of which this is just one. By simply searching for them on Google, you may find hundreds of such forums, but if you stick around to the conclusion of this video, I'll reveal the best method for getting Greenlanders to click on your links and so increase your earnings. As you can see, if you hire individuals from Sweden, you'll only get $5. But if you hire people from Greenland, you'll make $20. I'll show you exactly how to do this in a moment. Come back to the forum now. Typically, you may just register and sign up for nothing. In this forum, for instance, click the sign up button and then fill out the form. Now, what I advise is that you register for an account using a false name and username. On as many forums as you like, you can do this. You can share more links the more forums you locate. This approach does have one significant drawback, though. You may, however, persuade visitors from all over the world to click on your link. How can we narrow our search and bring in more Americans, Irish, and Greenlanders to increase our revenue? Now, when you perform a separate Google search, I want to demonstrate you this sneaky technique. In order to achieve this, navigate to Settings, select Advanced Search, and then this area will be visible. For instance, Greenland is an area, thus you should filter them to locate several forums that are concentrated in Greenland. You may then just use the identical strategies again to encourage numerous Greenlanders to click on your link. Since there are not many forums available in Greenland right now, your second option is to filter out posts from United States and Ireland. You can return to Google, go to the settings page, select the area, and then search for the desired nation. This procedure can be repeated as often as necessary. On YouTube, you may find a variety of weight reduction videos. This is, once more, completely legal and ethical to use, and you won't face any penalties because you weren't reposting or re-uploading other people's videos, but rather sharing them. This is one way to use the Google technique since it allows you to become really specialized in the field to earn more money online. But you can distribute this link in a number of different ways. You may, for instance, share it on YouTube comments or on other websites. On Facebook or on any other of your social media networks, you can do it. Now, the more people that click on your link, the more money you make. So, this is the exact way that each of these folks regularly earns a living. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.